Was coming to get the next playground for my kids for Christmas, but when I saw that price, I am so happy that I did not.
This creator absolutely smashed it. 7.3 million. In the last 90 days in revenue, they generated $5.5 million in the last 30 days with simple video ads.
Because if you click that orange cart down below, you'll see that it's on sale, has a coupon, and has free ships.
The product that I'm talking about is this Next Playground, a gaming console.
If you don't know anything about the Next Playground, it's a great way to do screen time, but also have your kids doing activities.
We're going to look at the video ads, see if we can spot any patterns, any areas that we feel like we can copy that she's doing consistently to hopefully give you that leg up starting 2026 as a TikTok shop affiliate.
And if you're new here, my name is Victor. I use my experience as a marketing project manager to share what's working in e-commerce, AI, and affiliate marketing right now. So if that sounds like your vibe, there's a subscribe button somewhere on the screen.
It tracks your body, it tracks your movement. You don't need any controllers. So fun, gets everyone involved, all ages. And what I like about it is it's a timely product. This time of the year, we're going into Christmas, we're going into New Year, a lot of New Year's resolutions, people wanting to get fit and so forth. And this one creator is capitalizing on this. And I'm going to show you how she's doing it here in a second. She's easily cleared close to $100,000 in commissions in the last 90 days promoting this one product here. So I'm going to talk you through exactly how she's doing that. I'm not going to waste any time. Let's jump straight into this. So we're starting with the product. Look at some metrics to understand a bit more about it. We know what the product is. Next Playground. Google that. You'll see all the features. Straightforward, as I explained earlier. We've looked at some of the numbers. They have generated 5.5 million in the last 30 days. They sold 27,000 units. Now, again, I like these premium products on TikTok Shop. The price is at around $249 with a commission percentage of 20%. So for every sale that she and other content creators make, you get 20% off that amount, which for me is absolutely crazy because it's obviously going to be a pretty decent chunk. Now, average unit price is around $200, sales and so forth, discounts, it goes up and down. Again, the majority of the revenue that they made came from, you guessed it, user generated content on demand videos. They did make a decent chunk on live revenue here. We can see they made $1.7 million, but on using on-demand videos where people are picking up their phones and filming, they made $3.4 million. Before you ask, yes, they did spend some money on ads, but why wouldn't you? Because you can see a snowball effect is beginning. You can see that the videos and the product is being favored by the TikTok algorithm. Why not give that more of a push by throwing some money into it and seeing how much return on ad spend you can get? And this gamble was a good investment from this business. But enough about the product, enough about the marketing strategy. I want to dig into these videos so we can understand what it is they're doing and what it is that's working over the last 90 days, because the interest is clearly there. Before we jump into playing these video ads here and seeing what we can pick up, I do want to point out, for those of you that may have noticed, the graph does show a spike and then goes down. For me, that's not necessarily indicating a decline in the interest of the product. It indicates that that is where the shop spent the most money on ads. That's where they gave the product the biggest push. Because if you look at these content creators that are high performing, these ones here that are the highest performers that have generated the most revenue, if we look at their individual graphs, they also peaked around the 20th of November, which is where the product is showing here. Now, it may be that that's where they got the biggest push from the algorithm and other factors came into play. But for me, based on my experience, this is where the shop acted quickly and said, hey, let's inject another 5, 10, 15 grand, because they are getting the revenue. The money's coming in. They are making that already. So why not invest it back into the product? And I think that's what they did. There is still a relatively decent amount of demand for the product right there. Because I looked at it and I did a double take at first, what's going on? But after reviewing a couple of profiles here, that is what I had notice. By the way, if you are wanting to try the product out yourself, the Next Playground, and get it as quickly as possible, I have left a link in the description, an Amazon link where you can grab it if you want to jump on the trend and start making videos and see if you can also generate content, especially learning from content creators that are doing well with it. It's entirely up to you. I cannot guarantee any results, but if you do use the link in the description or the pinned comment, it does support the channel. Enough talking. Let's jump into the video ads and see what they are doing. We're going to start with this one here. 46 seconds long. I have touched on this one in a recent video, but I'm going to go back into it and see what else we can pick up. And then we're going to go ahead and go through these individual video ads right here as well. If you are finding value, by the way, drop us a big like. Let us click into it. Let's jump into this video.
I'm going to show you 3 different methods that you can try today. By the way, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button so the message can be seen by more people like yourself.
I am going to click on the TikTok video link. I am going to be scrolling back and forth. Again, if there is any copyrighted music or any harsh language, you may see me scrolling back forward to try and skip some of that or go into a completely different video ad. But otherwise, these videos generally tend to be okay on that front. 46 seconds long, uploaded on the 29th of October 2025. Small creator at 10K followers. In the bigger scheme of things, 1.1 million in revenue in the last 30 days. So she would have made 20% of that, which is nuts. That's around $200,000 in the last 30 days from promoting this Next Playground product. Let us jump into the video ad and see what we can learn.
To continue with the rest of the video, click here. You can find a link to the full tutorial by heading to the description below. You'll also find links to my favorite AI tools. Head over to my website, vlcmediabiz.com, where you'll find a bunch of free AI courses for serious business inquiries. You can drop me an email. Also, drop a comment if you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Thank you so much.